Okay, the first thing we'll have pork. So we'll leave it for it to boil like this, and then we'll prepare our ingredient for this jadoh. So now I'm going to fry the pork fats. Let's see now if the pork is ready. Oh, it's very soft. So now I'll have to remove it from here. So here I'll pour some water, because I'm going to cook my jadoh here. Okay, and then I'll have to add about 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder and another half teaspoon. So I stir it. So this is Hatunia leaf, or what we call locally Jadoh. We have already cleaned it and washed it thoroughly. So now we're going to soak it in water, in salt water, for a few minutes, at least 5 minutes, because we are going to eat it raw. So the germs that might be there would be killed if we soak it in salt water. So now you can see that the pork fat is melted and this is ready. So I'm going to use it for cooking the jadoh today. So this is ready. So now that the water is boiled, so I'll add crushed ginger, about 2 teaspoons, and I will also add some salt. So there goes the rice inside our mixture of turmeric powder, the pork fats, water, salt, and after that we'll add some more of the fats that we have already prepared. So there goes the fats. So we'll mix them properly, and then we'll cook as we used to cook rice daily. So it seems to be that we have to add some more water. So I'm gonna add some more water now. This is after 5 minutes. And also I'm gonna add some more ginger. The ginger here will add up to the aroma of the jadoh, will make the jadoh more tasty. So we'll cook it for, we'll lower the flame now, and let's see, we'll cook it for another 5 to 10 minutes. So for pork salad, this is how we prepare it. First we cut the boiled pork into small pieces, and then we'll also add some chopped onions and crushed ginger with lemon juice. Okay, with all the onion and then add ginger. Lemon juice, about 2 teaspoons, sorry, or maybe 3. As per your taste, you can add it. And salt as per taste. Let us check our rice for the last time now. So remember, I have added ginger here according to the quantity of rice. So if you cook the rice in a lesser quantity, you can reduce the amount of ginger. So you can also call this as a pork ginger rice, or we call it locally Jadoh sniang. So this is coriander leaf. After I wash it and clean it thoroughly, we'll add some salt in order to soak it with water for a few minutes, maybe 5 minutes. So for the salad, I'm going to prepare tomato salad with Jadoh or hotunia leaf and onion. So our tomato salad is getting ready. This is how we add the hotunia leaf or Jadoh. Salt is added as per taste, and we're mixing the tomato salad. And lastly, for the chutney, we are going to use coriander leaf, 2 green chilies, 2 cloves of garlic, and 1 slice of lemon. You can also add salt as per taste. So let's start making this chutney. So our food is ready now. So this is a jadoh, or we can also call it ginger pork rice, and dokhle, which is pork salad, and then our tomato salad and coriander chutney. So let's enjoy our food, and I request each and every one of you to make it at home and then please let me know how do you like it. Even my nephew said yummy. He really likes the food just by looking at it. So my friend, do not forget to like, subscribe and share my video with your friends. Enjoy eating.